Hello YouTubers. Today is a unique issue. If you look at my index, I have a fingernail splitted. You know that as a mechanic, splitting a fingernail is not uncommon. So I splitted my index, and also I damaged in my thumb as well. This is my right hand. So it's quite painful and also takes a long time to heal. You can put a bandage or put a cup over it, but I like to keep working. So today I'm going to show you, if you look at that closely, there's some pink glue I applied onto my fingernail. This is actually a UV glue I ordered online, and so I put onto my thumbs and my index. This has been almost a month now, and it keeps growing. It was split so bad, the whole fingernail, 2/3 is split. Now, since I put this glue on there, and then the nail keeps growing, and so my split gets shorter. Now it's about less than half. It's about 1/3 of my nails length. So I put quite thick on there. If you look at sideways, so there's about almost 1/8 of an inch. So they provide quite a bit of strength. So this is another way of not allowing the split finger to affect your daily work. So the UV glue online on Amazon.com is not very expensive. It's only $3 or $4 for 25 grams. That's quite a bit of a glue. Super easy. Just put them on there and put your finger under the sun. Takes a few seconds, up to 10 seconds. It's cured. It's nice and strong. So I can work. Put some stress to my finger. It wouldn't split. Otherwise, once you split, it'll get bleeding, and then it's quite painful. Great. Thank you so much. Hopefully this will help thousands of those people who worked hard and split their fingernails. Yeah, that was a dirt before I treated with glue, so the dirt was kind of glued into it. Doesn't hurt, no infection, so over time this fingernail will grow over. It takes a couple of months. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day.